Welcome to Decksaver HQ. So we're here today with the Pioneer CDJ-3000, which there's been a lot of hype this week about. So let's do a bit of an unboxing and have a look at it. Sturdy packaging, as always with Pioneer. So we've got a couple of lock-in power leads, European. There's a UK version. Loads of leads, phono, Ethernet, coaxial, all your instructions and gubbins in there. Let's get this thing out of here. Right, so as you can see, huge jog wheel there, feels super sturdy. Massive screen, I think that's about 9 inches the screen. 8 hot cues. Lovely response on the cue buttons. So yeah, it's another amazing product from Pioneer DJ. A worthy successor to the CDJ-3000 Nexus 2. Let's try the existing CDJ-3000 Nexus 2 cover on this CDJ-3000, see if it fits. As you can see, it comes short by some distance. So we're going to get this in the lab as soon as possible. Let's get that out. And make you guys a new cover. So keep your eyes peeled, sign up to the mailing list, sign up to the socials, and we'll have some news for you very soon. Cheers guys.